Taking a look at our project plans, we have 8 seat slats. Those run between the backrest upper rail and the backrest lower rail. We have already created the backrest upper rail and the backrest lower rail. So our focus is on making the seat slats and getting those to fit between my backrest upper rail and my backrest lower rail. According to the plans, the total length of my backrest slat is 12.5 inches. However, the visible area is only 11.5 inches because I do have tenons on the ends of these seat slats. And I first want to verify that 11.5 inch measurement. Now on my project, I am actually sitting 11 7/16 is the viewable area. So I need to remember this throughout the process of making these seat slats. However, for right now, I just need to make sure I have enough lumber to make 8 seat slats measuring about 12.5 inches by 2 1/4 inches wide. I have a variety of my offcut pieces, and my goal is to get 8 12.5 by 2 1/4 inch pieces. So with these pieces, I should be able to get 8 seat slat pieces if I laid things out correctly. Now, one of my pieces does have a small defect in it. Because this is a part of the project that people are going to see, I'm going to get an additional piece of lumber and not use this piece. This now should yield me 8 pieces, 12.5 inches long by 2 1/4 inches wide.